And if you feel like crying, I'm not going to tell anybody.
It's a celebrate. I just want to say thank everyone for coming and to thank the spirits for allowing us to make it safely and thanking the ancestors for their sacrifice, and your sacrifice will not go in vain. What I want to say now is that everyone repeat what I'm going to say and you'll know where it applies at. Babylon, the system that came to these dungeons, which would be France, the European powers, Roman Empire, Spain, Portugal. So as today, in 2015, Babylon is falling. So after 3, I want you to repeat after me when I say it 5 times. And we're going to make sure that the spirit doesn't ever come back to Middle Africa, and that is Babylon. So after me, just repeat, Babylon is falling. 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 Ashe. Ashe.
Yes. All right. At this time, somebody else. Yes, please.
Africa for the Africans, those at home and abroad. As we went to the Kente cloth villages, and the first Indinka sign that they showed us was the circle. And when I reach here, it's like the completion of the circle, being taken away from Africa and being brought back black to Africa. So that's why I have to sing the song. Stop following me. Stop following me. Deja vu. I remember being taken away from Africa, along with Mama Imaca's sister Camilla. They were taken to America, and Ross Marvin, Pepe and Bob Marley too. We were left in Jamaica, and when I come to America, I can see as I walk through the streets and I walk through the field, in my mind is the vision of slavery, the vision of slavery. That's why I say Deja, me say Deja, Deja vu. And I miss my mother, and I miss my father, and I miss my daughter, 'cause I was sold in Georgia on this slave plantation of Mr. Duncan. That's why I carry his name. That's why I get deja vu the same. Come me say deja, me say deja, deja vu, deja vu. Ooh, 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 ooh. Come me say deja, me say deja.
Nice.